today I'll be teaching you guys how to make paper windmills. You will need pushpins, any piece of paper or square piece of paper, colorful pencil, a pencil, and chopsticks. Fold your white piece of paper diagonally downwards. With the leftover rectangular piece of paper, you can either cut it off or rip it off. I recommend cutting it. Now you can fold it diagonally to the other side. Now that that is done, you can start decorating. The creases make little marks on it. When they connect, they should form a square. Cut along the crease until you get to the point where you have marked. Do this on all 4 sides. This step, you might want to ask a parent or guardian for help. I already have holes in my windmill, but on the edges of one of the sides, poke a hole through one of them and do this for each of the 4 flaps. By using a push pin, you're going to pull it all together. The push pin is sharp, so make sure there's a parent or guardian to help you. Finally, push it through the center of the windmill. And just use your hand to hold it in place until we can pin it on a wooden stick. For this step, I strongly recommend a chopstick with a really thick head. With parent or guardian supervision, try poking the tip of the pushpin through the head of the chopstick. I recommend twisting it to try to get the pushpin in more. You can also try using a heavy object to try hitting it in. Here is the final product.